What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video. As y'all can see, we had the Showtime transmission rebuilds today. Get that transmission put in there. I just cranked this thing up. I literally just cranked it up and backed it up. See. I tell people, man, come on the tote. Just crank it up now. Car still cold. Just showing the people that don't know, ain't dealt with a tokeless car in real life. It's alright. So I'm about to pull the 5 gallons of racing gas in here. I got 5 more. Anytime my gas get a little low, I like to put the racing gas in it and keep a little blend. I just do. It definitely make your motor run 10 times better. So we're gonna get this put in there, then get the transmission loaded up, and we're gonna drive on down to Showtime. So I see y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all see it. Done made it over here. Good little drive. DJ, clean truck. Y'all know I gotta show y'all the number. Showtime transmission. Of course, it ain't getting installed. He got the other side, it's across the way. Y'all see it, Showtime transmission rebuild. Y'all see the boss lady in here.
Hey, Joe.
What up, what up? This who run things, y'all. Y'all see it. Y'all come here and get that work. Y'all see the number. What up now? I think Cuzzo on the way over here too, y'all. I think Cuzzo should be on the way over here, so we're gonna holler at him when he get over here too, cause you know he my Uber man. He the Uber driver. So I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all, look. Let me see. I gotta clean this thing. I might get this thing clean while I'm down here, y'all. I might get my Cuzzo. Well, it gonna rain. It gonna be rain, so I don't know. But man, DJ said they probably gonna knock this thing out today. Quick turnaround. I told y'all that anyway though. I told y'all good turnaround on your transmission rebuilds and the install. It's a good turnaround. People be asking questions. They build everything from mile to mile. It ain't just miles. Still like the transmission going here is a mile, but y'all know they did one in Camaro. Man, 350s, 200R, 700R4, 200R4, 4L60, 4L80s. He build everything, man. He build everything when it comes to performance transmission and stuff like that. They can do it all. So overdrives to 3-speed, 2-speed glide, ultra bell installs, everything. Flashing?
Also, yeah.
PCM flashing too, so the whole nine. He got a, hey, I don't know what that thing big, man. All I can say, it's the truth. It's an expensive piece of equipment, so it's you can come down here literally in just one-stop shop. Get your transmission built. You can bring your car and get it installed too, so you make sure. Cause some people get these transmission, man, and they do mess them up cause they install them wrong. They might set the detent cable wrong and stuff like, or you know, you just taking somebody that don't know what they doing. But you come down here, man, like I said, you can go, set your computer, make sure everything's shifting right, test it for you. Then you get your car, truck, or whatever, van, whatever you build, get it back, have a peace of mind. So y'all make sure to hit Showtime up. The number is on the screen. Get at them, and we're gonna check back in with y'all in a minute. All right, y'all, we checking in. Look, man, the whole nine over here is just getting better and better. Converter, you can get your converter flushed. The whole nine, man. So if y'all seen me, I had changed them before called metal, and I had one flushed too. You know, metal get in them when they go bad. One-stop shop, told you can get it flushed and everything. So, man, y'all hit them up. I'm telling you, look. Ultra Bell Glide, 700s, 350s, long tail, short tail, whole nine. Get your converter too. You can get your converter right here too. So, hey man, get the whole nine. One-stop shop. One stop. Come on, want a converter?
I got one, but it ain't an app. It's one I had done.
You can get everything.
Yeah, that's that one of mine that I had done right there.
That one right there, y'all.
That's 23 to 2,500 stalls. I got about 6 more coming today. I dropped them off yesterday, man, and my guy said, "Hey, I have them done for you tomorrow." Hey, you can't get no better.
I told him, quick turnaround over here.
Hey,
Quick turnaround.
If I can't get a quick turnaround, I don't mess with you. I can't wait 2-3 months. My customers ain't gonna wait that long. So
exactly.
We just trying to knock it out, get it done, man. Make everybody happy. We get a little behind sometime, but hey, we still be on schedule though.
Yeah, that part of business though. That part of business. But I put it like this: they behind is not a lot of people behind.
Yeah.
You know, so it's still a good turnaround. Still a good turnaround. Yeah, man. So I had to show y'all that, you know, plus you converting everything now. And I already done pulled the Cutlass down to the other shop. About to get started on it already. And this is about 5 minutes after I done got here. I'm letting y'all know letting y'all know the time frame. So I'm just chilling out cause I'm a little crazy about to pull up. Y'all make sure to follow his YouTube, it's on the screen too. Y'all make sure to subscribe to him. And I'm gonna catch y'all in a few. Oh well, let me show y'all this. I told y'all I gonna get I always keep my fluid. Boom, we got that for the accelerator cable. So we'll get rid of that zip tie. Y'all know I do stuff clean, cutting right, and fuel pressure gauge to go in the dual line called I don't know my fuel pressure at. And that thing probably needs some more fuel pressure. I might be changing the pump on it, but I'll tell y'all that in another video. Alright y'all, we checking in. Look, I see the man finally made it over here. Man's out there in the car. Man's out there in the car calling for help.
What's going on, bro?
Hey, look, man. Yeah, I see Cuz over here. DJ just telling about everything, man. Y'all see all this? Like, it constant work. Then he do the 6L80s too. I forgot to mention it. Cause I told y'all all on he do 6L80s too. So they do everything over here, but. Alright, y'all, we checking in, man. We're here at Applebee, right up street from Showtime. Waiting on they doing the car now, so we gonna I'll be back in the car because of it came through. So you know, we right here chilling. Said he was gonna come take me to the house, but soon I got there, DJ pulled the car in and all that. So we did that in the evening and all that stuff, man. So you know, look, man, when you tip, leave good tips and stuff. Don't. Great service and stuff, man. I just want to come in here and get that call. You know, some people, boy, they don't do right when they in the restaurant, man. Tip people good, you know, show love and all that, especially when you get good service. So after this, we're gonna leave and go back to Showtime. And I don't know, the transmission out, both of them out. So with the old one out. We're about to go back in with the new one. So we're gonna go back over there. See, it might be halfway in, so we'll check back in. Alright, y'all, we checking in down here at the other shop. Y'all see Dawson getting it in quick. It's DJ other shop. Showtime. This is where the installs get done real quick too. Like I said, he wrapping it up, putting the converter bolts in, all that, getting it in. Oh, we on the hill, show y'all this. See this stuff coming out. The gas tank. Y'all know I'm big on cosmetics, so I'm gonna get all this right. We're gonna change the gas tank. Over time, probably sandblast re-in. Y'all know the shocks. Y'all know the shocks and spring coming out. I told y'all that, but here go the mufflers. I kept telling y'all. These don't fit the series. I told them huge mufflers. Flowmaster Deltas. I'm actually starting to like the sound on them. I like them quiet because I can hear the supercharged stuff, so I might actually cut them off, get Jess to cut them off and just do a turn down off of these mufflers instead. But y'all know I told you we're gonna have the Wildwood disc brakes, real disc brakes, all of it. So all this stuff gonna be different, y'all. Look at it now. All that gonna be different. Probably get this sandblasted and paint it. But yeah, he rolling. He rolling. 2.5 inch exhaust. We got the Showtime transmission in there now. And let me see. Go here. Let's see. Let's see. We rolling. Where the old one at, dog?
It's over there.
Oh, it's on the table. Alright. Here we go. This the old one right here. Good transmission. I ain't decided what I'm gonna do with it yet, but I might sell it. I don't know. Like I say, it's a good transmission. Shift good, but y'all know I have to have Showtime and all my stuff. When I get to the house, clean it up. Let me show y'all where that oil. See that grease build up. That's when the oil coming out the intake. That's why it's on this side only. It was when it was blowing out the back of the intake, and it was running down here, and then it was dripping. That's where it leaving the spot from right there. So rest of it just grease. That's why that side don't look like it. But T8 350, and we're gonna have this. Y'all know we just did the carb. I just put the new carb on it yesterday, and now we're getting the new transmission in today. So yeah, when I drive back today, it's gonna be a whole new car. So y'all just stay tuned. Alright, y'all. Getting the fluid for that transmission. I should have recorded when he first cranked it up, so y'all can see how easy it cranked up after it's been sitting. It did that one person was talking about the choke, man. I'm like, it ain't that bad, y'all. It do make it a little harder to crank up, but it ain't that bad. On a serious note. That cold start, boy, it's smelling good in here. Got the cologne. And just like that. Man, I put the transmission in and quick, man, same day. Came down here in the morning. It right after lunch. Done. Well, I ain't even get here in the morning. Let me see, I'm telling y'all. We took a lunch. Man. It's been about 3 hours. Top. In and out. Alright, y'all. Checking in, y'all see we back in the front. Done knocked it out quick, man. Knocked it out. We got the Showtime transmission in there now. Man, when we just came from the other shop to back over here to this one, it already feels better. I'm talking about it's 10 times better. Ain't nothing wrong with that regular transmission. Like I said, it's good for good stock motor. You just want to ride and all that. So we got that Showtime transmission power now and everything. So y'all see, y'all hit that number up. I hit that number up all the time. I keep telling y'all good quality work. Make sure y'all always hit them up. Showtime transmission power. So I'm gonna holler at y'all and get back to the house. Y'all, we checking back in. We back at the house. Good drive. Highly pleased with this Showtime transmission. Y'all know I done got it and I done tested it out. It right. That transmission is right, man. So we got the carburetor down, transmission down. All I got left is the ignition box. And the like I said, I decided on the mufflers. I actually like these mufflers because you can hear the they done grew on me, y'all. They done grew on me. Cause you can hear the supercharger and stuff. I go with a louder muffler. Gonna take away from the whine. And that supercharger, I believe it making more boost now. I don't know how it works. If somebody that understand roots blower better in the comment below. But I changed that carburetor. That supercharger is loud. It's whining. It's whining for real now, which to me means it's making more boost than what it was. Cause my boost gauge not hooked up. Y'all know that, but that thing is screaming now. If you turn it up, I really don't turn it up on camera like that. But off camera, I see what it do. But that thing is screaming. It's whining. So yeah, man, that carburetor though, I'm just still shocked. People, y'all heard my cousin, but I'm gonna let wifey drive the car. Cause it take for somebody that drove this car before and then drive it after I done did all the stuff I done did to really understand that carburetor. It feel like a new car. Like, it's amazing. Then with the transmission in it too, and it's firmer shifts, better shifts. It just got better stuff in it. Man, I'm ready to go to the dyno now. I wish I would have went when I first got the car, cause I know I done picked up a whole lot of horsepower and torque. I know this for a fact with the stuff I've done. Cause in 2 months time, we done changed the heads, we changed the carburetor, we fixed some issues, burn up wires and stuff that was fixed. I didn't know about the correct intake gaskets. The rear end been done. 5 big major things been done. We done did LEDs on the car. I mean, everything, man. I've been rolling on this car. Would have had the flow shifter in it too, but if I didn't been flip-flopping. But now I'm gonna go ahead and get a flow shifter car. I keep skipping over it, slide. It just, the collar shift just ain't it. So I was gonna order it, but I think I'm gonna take a trip to Summit. If not tomorrow, the day after that, give y'all a vlog on that, and just go up there and buy the flow shifter. I'm gonna buy some MSD superconductor wires, cause y'all know I got one burn up, and I'm gonna buy some of them boots too. Them boots, I actually got some. I never showed them to you. I got some for Dolo. My guy JT, man, shout out to JT. He had sent me the cash out some month last year sometime. I showed him. I said it in the vlog, but if you saw it, you saw it. But my guy JT, he got a fat box Chevy. He put me on game where to get them. I ordered them. I just ain't never show them, but I got them for Dolo. But I'm gonna go buy some for the Cutlass. I might get them while I'm up there at Summit. So we're gonna get MSD wires to replace the bad one. And I can tell it's running on 7 cylinders, but it's still crazy fast compared to when it had the Edelbrock. We're gonna cut these pipes off, keep the remaining mufflers, the existing mufflers, and make a turn down. And so yeah, whenever I go to Summit between tomorrow and the day after tomorrow, I'm gonna buy wires and a floor shifter. That's what we're gonna go get in the boots to protect that. And yeah, and I'll probably go ahead and get the right gear, man, cause to correct the speedometer, since everything in this car work, I'm gonna get the right gear for the cable so it'll read right. So we're gonna go get all this stuff. Yeah, so and between the day and tomorrow, I'm gonna shoot a vlog. We're gonna get this stuff put on. We might hit Lawless too, cause it's a subscriber got a nice ride down there I want y'all to see. He hit me up, said I can show it, so we're gonna hit Lawless and all that, but we're gonna get this stuff put on. So y'all look forward to that. But yeah, electric fuel pump too. I'm gonna get an electric fuel pump, cause it needed, man. These things here they raise your compression. I see that they raise your compression a lot. You do not want it starving for fuel. It got an aftermarket fuel pump on it. It's just a manual. It ain't regulated either. So really, it could be tuned and cleaned up, and it is gonna be cleaned up to where it'll run even better. It run good, but so it'll run even better. And I'm not talking about a race tune or nothing like that. Just literally to make it run better. The timing okay, but when you get on the boost, you want stuff to pull timing, right plugs, right. Well, I keep good octane fuel in it, but you want the right pressure and all that. That's with any car, straight up any car. So we're gonna get that checked out too. But yeah, come right along, y'all. Good day. Shout out to Showtime transmission rebuilds, man. Shout out to all them guys over there, man. They always look out. I appreciate DJ, that my fam. Y'all hit him up. I appreciate my cousin, Little Crazy Whips Addiction, and everybody that watch every day. I appreciate y'all. So I'll catch y'all tomorrow. I'm out.